National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lambsburg to near Roaring River to Boomer, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro, Elkin, Wilkesboro, Fairview, Flat Rock, and Yadkinville. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Caldwell County in western North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lenoir, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cedar Rock, Vashti, Collettsville, Patterson, Kings Creek, and Lenoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander and Caldwell. County until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Enon, or near East Bend, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Kernersville, Clements, Bermuda Run, Huntsville, Louisville, Walkertown, Rural Hall, Farmtown, and Vallows Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 182 and 204, Interstate 74 between mile markers 66 and 63, St. Lyman and road down trees, power lines, and damage to mobile homes and other buildings. Take shelter in a steady structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as fine debris generated by damage of wave-tipping decorations. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Northside, North Carolina.
Finally reaching an SVR.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County, Stokes County, Henry County, Patrick County, Pittsylvania County, and the city of Martinsville, effective until 7:54 p.m.
During and storing.
This is a severe
Another
thunderstorm
M.
warning for Guilford County, effective until 7:55 p.m.
Please, both of y'all not be on that.
This is a severe.
Are you kidding me?
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County and Randolph County, effective until 8:14 p.m.
Come on, y'all.
For this. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Caswell
Another
County,
one.
Rockingham County, Halifax County, Pittsylvania County, and the city of Danville, effective until 8:05 p.m.
Transgender person nominated.
Let me guess. Mnet.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has
finally.
issued a severe thunderstorm
Almost.
warning for Alamance County until 8 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over near Elon, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Graham, Mebane, Elon, Gibsonville, Fall River, Swansonville, Alamance, Snowcamp, and Lake Burlington. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 140 and 155. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Alamance,